Hello guys, welcome back to Mufasuket with AutoCAD 3D Modeling Praktek Exercise number 10. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel here, it will be helpful for us to growing up. In this tutorial, I will create a 3D doghouse. You can see the image here, and you can get this reference image from our site mufasucat.com. Okay, open your AutoCAD software, and I will use top view here. First, I will create a rectangle. And first corner you can click here and then type dimension, length about 750 point and width about 970 point. Okay, and click inside here. Use zoom command and extend to view all object. Use the orbit command to rotate the drawing and extrude the rectangle here to the top about 30. I will create a rectangle in here with a dimension about 30 and 30 and click in here and extrude the last object to the top about 520 point and move this object from here to here and then copy this object from here to here and we copy again this two object from here to here. Okay, I will create a rectangle from here to here and extrude the last object to the top about 30 and I will create a rectangle object from here to here and extrude again the last object to the top about 30 point. Use a copy command, we copy this object from here to here. Okay, enter again and you can change to the realistic view to view the object. Okay, we create the object like this and change to the 2D wireframe and change to the front view here and I will create a plane object from here to the bottom about 400, to the right about 30, to the top about 400 and then close. Next I will create a plane object again from here to the top about 30, to the right about 190 point and to the bottom about 30 and then close. Use the orbit command to rotate the drawing and move these two objects from here to here and I will change to the front view again and I will use a mirror command to mirror these two objects in from the middle point here to the bottom here and okay. Use a plane command again from here to the top about 30, to the right in here and to the bottom about 30 and then close. We orbit the object and use the extrude command, select this object and extrude to the z-axis here about 30 point. Okay, next I will change to the front view. I will create a line from here to here. Okay, and then rotate this line object base point in here, rotate about minus 45 degree and enter. I will create a line from here to the bottom here about 180 point and enter again. Use a join command to join these two lines. Use the offset command with a distance about 30. Select this line object and in here and then we create a line from here to here and from here to here. Okay, we offset again with a distance about 10 from here to here. Okay, and copy this two object to here and enter again. I will select this object and delete Next, I will use a line command to connect in here and then in here. We join all object here and enter. The object is already joined. Use move command to move this object from here to here. Okay, use the orbit command to rotate the object here, and I will extrude this object with z-axis here about 30, and then I will extrude again this rectangle object to here. Okay, next change to the front view. Here I will mirror these two objects from the middle point here to the top here. Okay, and I will create a line from here to the top here. Use a slash command, select this object. Okay, and slash from here to here. Okay, next we select this object and delete. We also can slash this object, slash from here to here, enter, and select this object, delete. Next we slash again this object from here to here, enter, and select this object and delete. Okay, I will change the UGS from here, x-axis here and y-axis here, and I will create a rectangle from here with dimension about 30 and 30. Click here and copy this rectangle object from here to here. Okay, and move this rectangle to the x-axis here about 60 point. Next you can rotate by using the orbit command. We move again this two object. Okay, from here to here. Okay, the last is we extrude this object rectangle, and in here extrude to here. Okay, you can change to the left view here, and we mirror this object from the middle point here to the top here and enter. Change to the front view again, and then mirror this two object from the middle point here to the top here and enter. Use the realistic view to view the object. Okay, we create it, and I will change to the set with edge here and extrude this face. You can tap extrude and press Ctrl button and select this face. Okay, and extrude here about 80 point, and change to the left view here. I will mirror this object from the middle point here to the top here and enter. You can see here the result. Okay, next I will create a wall. I will change to the 2D wireframe and change to the front view, and I will create a circle with 2 points from here to here, and move the circle from here to here. Use a boundary command. Pick points, click here and enter. Select the circle and delete. We use boundary command again, enter, and pick point outside here and enter again. We rotate the object, and I will extrude the last object to the z-axis here about 10 point, and I will move this object from here to here. I will extrude again this object to the z-axis about 10 point, and move this two object from here to here. Okay, can change to the realistic view to view the object. Okay, you can see. Next, I will change to the 2D wireframe again and change to the left view. I will create a rectangle from here to here. Okay, and then I will rotate by using the orbit, extrude the last object to the z-axis here about 10 point, and move the last object from here to here. Okay, and I will copy the last object from here to here. Okay, change to the back view, click here and back view. I will select this object, right click and isolate and hide object. Next, use boundary command, pick point, click here and enter. Okay, use the orbit command. We extrude the last object to the here about 10 point and move the last object from here to here and move again the subject from here to here. Okay, right click, isolate and end object isolation. Next, you can change to the realistic view to view the object. Okay, we create a 3D doghouse here. Change to the top view and I will create a plane surf here, plane surf from here to here. Use a union command to combine these three objects and enter, and we union again these three objects and enter. You can see I will rotate this drawing and we will apply material into the object, and you can tap the air mode to open a material browser. Right click and duplicate and click here twice. I will use the image. You can get this image from our site. Open, and I will change the scale of the image about 500. Okay, and close, and I will apply in here. Right click in material here and assign to selection. Okay, you can select this face and use the planar mapping here and zoom in. I will edit here to here. Okay, and then enter. I will select this face again and use planar mapping and move here to here. Okay, and enter again. Next, I will apply a material here. Right click here and assign to selection. Select this face and use planar mapping here and move here to here. Okay, enter again, select this face and use planar mapping and from here to here. Okay, and enter. Next, I will duplicate this material and click here twice and select the image. I will change the rotation about 90 degree and change the sample size about 800. Okay, and close. Select this object, right click in material here and assign to selection. Okay, you can rotate to see the object. Next, I will apply in here this material, assign to selection and click here and detail and assign to selection. I will apply in here too, right click here and assign to selection, and then in here right click assign to selection. Okay, I will duplicate this global material and click here twice, select the image. I will use this image and open, and then I will change the sample size here about 1500 point and rotation about 90. Okay, and close. I will select this object. Okay, select here, 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 and then you can rotate and select again this object and click here, 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 and then in here. Okay, close here and right click and assign to selection. I will duplicate this object again and right click here, click the image. I will use 0 degree. Okay, and close and select these two objects, and then close this material and right click here and assign to selection. Okay, next we rotate the image and we will try to render. First I will active the full shadow here and change the renders quality about height. Active the render environment here, change background into white solid here and white here. Okay and okay, and then close, and we try to render the object. Okay, waiting for the rendering until finish. It's about 10 level, and you can apply more level to get more result in high quality. Okay, until finish for the 10 level, and we finish the rendering. Okay, I think it's enough today. If you have any question, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in AutoCAD 3D modeling practice exercise number 11.